Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering how to set up a SQLite database in Flask. So let's just before we jump into it, I'd like to say subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And in this video I'm going to be assuming that you have already watched my previous series in which I covered SQLite basics, and we're going to be also using the table that we created in that series, which was right here, tutorial.py. Not this one, my bad. This one. And we created this table called tutorial, and we're going to be using that in this series. So first we're just going to go back into Flask tutorial. First what we're going to do is I'm just going to zoom into this code, and what we need to do up here, import SQLite, and then let's just set up our basic functions over here. So if you create a table in a database in one of your files, it's gonna stay in all of our files. So let's just make sure that we have the table. What was the database's name? I'm pretty sure it was testing.database, but let's just make sure. Yep, let's just copy this from here, and we just need this, and then we can just paste this in our Flask tutorial file. So we have these. So let's just try to see if we have if it works right now. So we can just say c.execute, and we can say select star from tutorial. If you don't understand what this is, again, I said you have to go watch my previous tutorial video or any other video on YouTube to understand this SQLite commands. So now what we do is we just print c.fetchAll. Let's run this and see if before it runs the Flask file. Yep, we have Bob right here. So let's just close this right now. And so to remove I can remove that off camera before the next tutorial. So now we know that this works. So this video was just showing you that we're gonna connect this in the next video. So now that this works, we're gonna in the next video, when we get the data over here, we're gonna store this username variable in this tutorial table. So thanks for watching. Subscribe so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together, and peace.